In this video, we'll show you what to do if the username feature is not showing up on your WhatsApp for Android. So as you may already know, if you head over to WhatsApp's settings menu and go to this account tab, you will see this username feature which has just rolled out recently. But if you don't see this option on your phone, what you need to do is head over to the Play Store and then search for WhatsApp. Now, if there are any pending updates available, make sure to install them immediately. Once WhatsApp is updated, you can head back to the settings menu, tap on account and you'll see this username option. However, if you still don't see this option, what you can do is open WhatsApp again, head over to its settings menu again. Now here you will need to scroll down and here tap on this early access to features option. Now simply go ahead and enable this toggle. This will enroll you into WhatsApp's beta program, and this way you will be able to get every WhatsApp feature first, including the username one. So once you have enabled this toggle, head over to Play Store again and then check if there are any pending updates available. You can also join the WhatsApp beta program like me. So you will see a beta tester option here. You simply need to join the program and you will be able to receive WhatsApp features like username first. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch.